Guys, thanks for joining us on a product review. This is a simple DIY, a simple product, but a very necessary and safety product. It's going to be talking about towing. If you're towing, you know you've been following us on our flat tow setup. We're going to have that full flat tow setup video with the tow bar, but we showed you the braking system on there. We also showed you the lighting system that we're using on there, as well as the base plate. If you missed those videos, we'll link one up above, but we also trailer tow. If you followed us, you know if we have Bowser, we have to trailer tow. He has bad anxiety as far as separation. So when he's with us, he's fine. When he's in that Tesla behind us, it's like his crate. He can be in there for hours, doesn't bother him. If he's in the motorhome alone, freaks out. If he's at home alone, freaks out. So when we are on the road with Bowser, the trailer's got to come. With that being said, we have a trailer with electronic braking system. If you know about anything about towing, it's recommended anything over 3,000 pounds, you should have a tow controller to activate your electronic braking system on your trailer. The Tesla is just shy under 4,000 pounds. This trailer is about 1,450 pounds, so you do the math. We would qualify as having to use supplemental braking. So now this trailer, our eco trailer we've had for years, we just had it serviced. It does have electronic braking. However, we will need a brake controller. Now the brake controller traditionally on the Dutch Star is located up behind the dashboard. Kind of have to take that cluster out. You can hook into the wires there. I wanted something simple. I want something that we can use on multiple vehicles, because we do have the Tahoe also. And we found the solution, because I like simple. The solution is right here, guys. I'm just going to disconnect it real quick. The solution is this Curt Echo Wireless brake controller. And this is pretty awesome. It's relatively inexpensive on eTrailer.com, $239.99. A little bit more than your traditional proportional brake controls, but there's so many advantages of this. One being that there's no splicing of wires. There's no setting up really, other than setting up on your Bluetooth. All you do is you plug it into your 7-pin connector, as I showed you here, and then your 7-pin from your trailer plugs right into there. Now this is completely weatherproof. You can leave it out. The other advantage of this is that it is swappable. So I can have it on the motorhome. I could have it on multiple motorhomes. I could have it on the Tahoe. Whatever I want to tow that has a 7-pin connector, I just plug this in, and then I go to the app, because there's an actual app, and you set up different profiles. On the app, I have it set up for the Tesla. And it's set up in that app. You could also set up your sensitivity. You can manually brake. There's all different settings in there. All you need to do, this is super simple, which is what I like. You plug it in, you put your ignition onto the on position. That will send power to it. You will see this light right here. There's a little light right here that will light up. And then you go into the app and you follow the directions. It's going to connect via Bluetooth. Here's an FYI, which I found out the hard way. When it asks for the Bluetooth pin, the pin is underneath the lid. I was looking for that for a while. You got to put that pin in. Once you're connected, very simple. All you do is like, this is idiot proof. A monkey could do this. I don't want to install it. If you can't, you're not a monkey if you can't set it up, but it is very, very simple to do. So once you plug in this brake controller, it's going to hook in, you know, with the top here, and then they give you a supplemental rubber strap. I put it on. I don't know if you really need that. And then you put your 7-pin connector on here, and that's it. That's all there is. How this works, it works on, there's like a gyroscope on here. So even if your Bluetooth, I know somebody's gonna say, well, what about if you lose your Bluetooth connection? It doesn't matter. If you lose your Bluetooth connection, all that's doing, the Bluetooth is allowing you to do is to monitor it. If you want to manually brake, you can do that. If you want to change the settings, whatever settings you have, as long as this is getting power, it keeps those settings. So I can shut the phone off, it doesn't matter. It's still going to work. It's working on the motion with the gyro. So depending on, I don't know what the calculations are, but the sensitivity, whatever, I've already watched it in the mirror. Like if I brake hard, you see the tires kind of lock up if I brake hard, but you adjust the sensitivity, and that's it. It's very simple. The reviews on it, 1,400 plus reviews on eTrailer. It's like a 4.8. We've been using this now for a couple of months. I really like it. I like the simplicity of it. It's not the only solution out there. There's plenty of solutions on eTrailer. You know they are a sponsor of our channel. So we're gonna put our link down below. If you want something like this, or if you want a tow setup, something else that you like, they have everything you need for towing, hitching, anything. We'll put the link down below. If you have any questions or you have any comments, put them in the comments below. We wanna hear about it. This is what we're using. That's not the only solution. If you like videos like this to the left of us, we'll put our RV product reviews playlist. We'll also put our RV DIYs playlist and for myself and MJ to Journey of a Lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.